Hey everyone, it's Alex with Tucker. In this video, I want to talk to you about tips and tricks on changing out your Sörbo rubber and how to make your rubber last a little longer. So first things first, we want to talk about how to change out your squeegee rubber there. If you notice on both ends, try to see if I can get a close-up shot here, one here and there, you have your Sörbo end clips. This is what helps keep your rubber in place. So what you'll want to do is simply just tug on the rubber end so that pops out, and do so on the other end. Be aware they will tend to fly out just about anywhere. And just in case you do lose them, we do have these end clips available in 12 packs. Excuse me while I get that other one. Okay, so there we took out the rubber. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind is as you use your rubber, you're going to over time, you'll most likely get little nicks in the rubber, or on the ends they'll wear and they'll start leaving trail marks. Before you just take that one out and put in a new piece, you can use obviously the other side of the rubber. And that way, the other side is still good. Most likely won't have any nicks, and the corners won't be frayed. So what you want to do is flip that rubber around, or if you have a new rubber, you're going to put, this is the T rubber, so you want to make sure it kind of lines up correctly. Or just simply put that in, and you get the like that. Now, admittedly, these clips are a little hard to push in. So if you try to do it, it's very possible, but it's really tough to get in. So a little tip and trick here. Here, I'll get that back out. So you can take your soap that you're going to use for your window cleaning solution, add a dab of it onto the clip itself to help lubricate it. Get that rubber into place. And now that just slides in effortlessly and you're back into business. So you take your other one, same thing. And you can see where I'm putting it in right here. And then now we got that soap. See, it goes right in. Now another way to make your rubber last longer, get the best life out of it, is that say you have an 18-inch channel, you kind of done both tricks. Most cases where your rubber is just going to fail and leave those trail marks are at the end. So what you can do is if you have an 18-inch, you can take that rubber that's been used on both sides. You can then trim it down to your smaller channels and reuse it there. And there you go. That's how to, one, change your rubber on your Sörbo squeegee channels, and also how to make your rubber last longer. Hope that helps, and everyone has a great day. Take care.